Stop. Why is it moving by itself? Stop! Oh my god. Hey, so if you haven't seen the last video where I turned this child's toy into a child's toy that you can move its arms with the PS4 controller, go back and watch that first because this is the second video. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to turn this stationary toy that is currently sitting in a vise. I'm going to mount that. This thing I got off Amazon, it's like a, basically it's called the TS100 Tank Chassis Installation Manual. Well, that's what this is called. It's just called the tank. But I'm gonna control one track with the one trigger, the other track with the other trigger, turn left and turn right. Like I'm just controlling, I'm controlling the individual tracks. It's gonna be awesome. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna aim the camera down towards my tank setup. Let's start laying out everything that comes with this kit. We got two of these. We have two tracks. We have these two motors, which are bigger than I expected, and they have a couple of these, an assortment of hardware, screwdriver set, some more hardware, some bubble paper, the directions, and the main chassis. So there's not much to this manual. It basically starts with input the internet site getnova.com to download the complete manual for the TS100. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, so we use these, 3 of them for each. But basically we're gonna put this M4 screw through this hole, attach it to this, and we're gonna do this about 1,000,000 times until all these wheels are built. I mean, the bearings actually work very good. Well, I got one wheel done. One. And we have spinning. 2 wheels done. 2. I don't know if you can hear it. Nice. Sick, I love it. I love doing that every time I'm done. System. Oh. Day 2, hopefully with a better camera angle. So I finished all the wheels. Oh, I want to do like a B-roll of the wheels. Let's do that. Okay, so I finished the wheels. I did my camera shot with the wheels. So next part was going to take the wheels and put the suspension bracket. So let's build those. Let's replicate this picture right here. Oh, right here. So okay, we have one. So it looks like I use another one of these bearings here. There's a little slot here, but I don't know what that's for. Oh, there's this little bevel here. And this fits inside this slotted piece. And then this attaches the spring from the chassis to the suspension arm. Let me get a pair of pliers maybe. So I found a tool that would help me with this, tightening this, and let's just use it. It's pretty light and it's pretty wieldy. Perfect. Perfect. So I just want to put a spring under now because I'm excited. I'm gonna snap. I swear to God, I'm gonna snap one of these on my hands. I'm gonna be so pissed. Yeah, that's sick. Well, one wheel's done and it's spinning. Get my very wieldy and very appropriately sized lock nut holder and tighten her all down. I'm sure there's going to be someone in the comments saying, well, that's not how you use that. Why don't you get the right tool for the job? Why don't you buy me the f***ing tools? Why don't you buy me the tools and I'll use them? Okay, one more spring. Nice. Nice. Another spring, another wheel. Classic sayings from where I'm from. People are always saying that. Another spring, another wheel. Okay, we're almost done one half. Let's finish this side. No? Like this. And the wheel goes on this side. Halfway done. Let's see if I can speed run this one. I love this. Look, it's a cool fidget spinner. Wait a second. I have all these wheels left. Where do the wheels go? Guess we'll find out soon. Huh? What's wrong with the screw? Let's try another one. No, my dad always said if it doesn't fit, force it. And I'm trying to force it, but I don't have the strength. But what I do have is this multi-purpose tool to hold on to this spinning shaft. Let's put these bad boys on. Okay. Love it. What the f did I just do? Did I just do a magic trick on accident? Hello? Oh, yes. Ah, yes. The simple bearing, oftentimes overlooked, but it's always a necessity. Did I do it wrong? Did I do it wrong twice? Did I do it wrong 3 times? Hold up. I did. I must be high. I censored the word, but what I really said was tired from a long day of working. And just like that, I finished all these without snapping the spring onto my hand. Now I gotta tighten these. I need a screwdriver. Where the hell is that thing? So according to these well-documented directions here, and by the looks of it, you stagger the driving mechanisms on one side and the other. So I have to be cognizant of that. But there's so many holes here. What hole do you use? It doesn't show you. Instead of guessing, I'm just going to put the other things on first. Give me the old 50-50 Regis. So we got a close-up on this close-up. Well, it's probably going to be the ones with... And this one goes like so. Is it the long one? There's 4 of them. No, there's only 2 long ones. Well, that makes sense, I guess. Doesn't seem right. Nope, doesn't seem right. Maybe it's this one. These look like they're the same. I guess they're not actually the same size. Well, it looks like nothing fits in here. Okay, there you go. Does this actually fit in here or no? It does. It does. Yes. This ends this segment of, do these screws go in this hole? It doesn't tell you at all how to build this. You get like a little shitty picture and they say, here, stupid. Good luck. No. These must be used, I think. Are these used? Do we use these? Doesn't look like it. I want to say no. Put this cylinder all the way through here. It's a nice snug fit. Okay, try the other side. Yes. I'm gonna use my multi-tool here. Okay, nice. And then we put these on and we sandwich them together. I don't know when my camera stopped recording, but it's been blabbering for the past hour anyway. But like I was saying, this thing is geared down so much. Very good. Just 2 more wheels. Wow, it's so smooth. Okay, I think day 2 is over. I think I've had enough for tonight. It's way past my bedtime. 9:46. What is this, a Saturday night? I can't be staying up this late. It won't give me enough time to scroll through YouTube for the next 3 hours. So you know, I mean, I really gotta get going here. And so yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. I'll talk to you guys later. Good night. In honor of me watching this watch restoration vlog, I did my own assortment of the rest of the tools and parts in a nice even parallel line. So let's get rid of these for now. So yesterday we finished this side and this side. What is next? I think we have to put this on. What screws go in that? This one? Bum, 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 bum. Just as I thought. Oh, it's not bad, I guess. Well, this is where we're at currently. I think it looks pretty sick, actually. I'm not gonna lie. So let's put the tracks on. I have to shorten them slightly. Slide this on here. Yes! One track's on. This thing is awesome. What? This thing was cooler than I imagined it was gonna be. So now the next question is, what the hell are all these cables for? Positive, negative, power, plus and minus for the encoder. I'm going to pause the video, go read any data sheets I can find on this thing, on the battery, and yeah, we'll be back. We'll power it up and see how this thing spins. And
some say you don't need flux, but
oh my god, a soldering section. Let me go make some coffee before I fall asleep. I'm ready, let's start. Welcome to today's episode of Being Based with Solder. We are going to be focusing on our breathing today and being one with that hot tip. We promise to use just the tip. We want to bring that thing up to 700 degrees. As things start to heat up, bring that soft little metal out. This is called solder. Assuming the tip is primed and ready. Why did I film this? We want to bring the tip and the solder together spiritually. We do that by physically touching them together. As the solder starts to melt on that hot little tip, you will see black smoke being emitted and rising up to the heavens. As you see this, take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale, pushing out all the bad. That concludes today's episode, and as always, who gives a flux? How do I even make this into a video? Well, in the next 4 to 6 hours in this section, what I did was, I took a perf board like this. Yeah, very nice. And I soldered on Arduino Nano like this. And a motor controller like this. This is the old one. The other one is inside the robot right now and functioning to 100% efficiency. So I'm gonna skip through all the soldering part for my sanity. I don't want to watch it. It's so boring. It's so boring. Like, what do I even say here? The next like 40 minutes. So this is me going over the functionality of the motor pinouts. So I'm hooking up the leads to the positive and negative pinouts of the motor. Okay, I'm going to apply direct voltage. I'm not going to pulse modulate anything. All I'm doing is checking the functionality of the motor going forward, and I'm going to reverse the leads. So positive is going to negative, and negative is going to positive. That's going to make the motor go inverse. That's all I'm going to do here. By the way, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, I spent a lot of time on this. I try to make it as entertaining as possible. If you could like and subscribe, smash that like button right now. If you like robots, if you like Arduinos, if you like watching videos on YouTube, if you like anything at all in this world, you will take the time right now and like and subscribe. My shirt's on inside out. So leave me a like for the shirt being on inside out. Drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section saying that my shirt is inside out. Smash that like button, leave a comment, smash that dislike button, unsubscribe, leave YouTube, go outside. I have the switch hooked up. I have all the soldering done for the motors. All I have to do is plug them in right now. Hook up my oscilloscope to these outputs to see the pulses, and also hook it up to the inputs of this. So you're going to see this input here go up and down between 0 and 5 volts, and this input, the pulse is going to go bigger and smaller. Basically what I hope to see if I remember doing this correctly. Let's get it done. You can see that as I push this in, the pulses, the yellow pulse and the purple pulse. The purple pulse is the input from the Arduino, and the yellow pulse is the output that would be going to the motor. I have the scale is different for the purple and yellow just to show everything on the same plane. So the purple is going from 0 to 5. See, as I change the duty cycle on the input, I'm changing the duty cycle on the output. Fully on, this will be fully off. I didn't want to go back and resolder these pins onto analog pin. So basically, I can control the speed going forward, but not backwards. Backwards is just straight on or off. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up everything and run everything off the battery, put it on the tank, and we're going to move the tracks on the desk. And then we're going to move the tracks on the floor and be able to drive it around. Okay.
Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's a no.
Just pop the Kenny about a million options. So it's talking to stop doing agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's in the.
So I'm down here at a place where I grew up as a child. I need to find some angle iron. What's this? Take this, put this across it right here, like this, and it'll just sit on there somehow. I don't know. I'm not a mechanical guy.
I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Whoa, singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. But I moisturize on my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stops. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Whoa, singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's an oath.
Well, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Leave a like. If you liked it, give the old video a like and a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about this very beautiful piece of artwork that I've created with my bare hands. I had a lot of fun doing this. I got the tank tracks to work. It's actually way faster than I thought it was going to be. So the next video, so I'm going to put the board back in. I'm going to hook up the speakers again. And we're going to do some more like software and electrical work and less mechanical. Thank God, because I hate mechanical. And right, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this robot and give me any ideas what I could do to this thing to make it even cooler. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.
She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's an oath.